Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Here is your English teacher, Ma'am Bushram. Hope you all will be in good health and hope you will be enjoying your distance learning. Today we are going to do a grammar topic which is possessives. Okay, we are going to do possessive today. What are possessives? Possessives are forms that we use to talk about possessions and relationship between things and people. When we are talking about possessions, like for example, this you can see this is a pencil, okay, and if this pencil belongs to Ali, so I will say Ali's pencil. Okay, what will I say? I will say Ali's pencil. Means it shows possession, that this is the possession of Ali. This pencil belongs to Ali. Understand? Similarly, if there is a book and it belongs to Sarah, so it is Sarah's possession, so you will say Sarah's book. So possessives is all about that. Now there are certain rules which we have to keep in mind. The first is singular nouns. How you will show possession for singular nouns is add apostrophe s to most singular nouns to show possession. When you are showing possession of singular nouns, you simply have to add apostrophe s. This comma is known as apostrophe and s. Understand? Look here. Dog's tail. This is the shortest form of saying tail of the dog. Tail of the dog. So means this tail is the possession of dog. So you will write it like this. Dog's tail. You can see here, dog here is singular noun. So we just have added apostrophe s for showing the possession. Okay. Tail of dog, how will you show? Dog's tail. You will write it like dog's tail. The second is house of Ali. Means this house belongs to Ali. This house is the possession of Ali. So you can see Ali here is singular. Okay. So what you have to do, you simply have to add apostrophe s with the singular noun Ali's house. Ali's house. Okay. This is the first rule when you are writing possessives for singular nouns, so you will simply add apostrophe s with the singular noun. The second rule is, understand it, okay, listen to it carefully and your mind should be here. The second rule for this is plural nouns ending with s. When a noun is plural, okay, this one was for singular nouns. Okay, now this one is for plural nouns, but those plural nouns which end with s. So what is the rule for that? Add an apostrophe alone to plural nouns that end in s. Those plural nouns which end in s, we simply have to add apostrophe with that. Like game of boys. Now you can see here, this noun is ending with s. It is a plural noun. Okay. So what we have to do, we simply have to add just apostrophe. You can see I just have write comma here. Boys game. This is showing what? Game of boys. Now ears of dogs. Now you can see dogs is plural here. What I have to do, I will not write apostrophe s, I will simply add apostrophe here, dog's ears. Understand? For singular noun, for singular nouns we will add apostrophe s, and for plural nouns which end with s, we will simply write apostrophe. Okay? The third rule is plural nouns which do not end with s. Some plural nouns, they do not end with s. For that, we will add apostrophe s. Just like for singular nouns, we add apostrophe s. So for those plural nouns which do not end with s, but any other letter, so we will add apostrophe s with that. Understand? Add apostrophe s to plural nouns that do not end in s. Children's game, game of children. Now children here you can see it's a plural noun and it is not ending with s. So in possessives I write apostrophe s. Children's game. Ears of mice. Now this mice is plural, okay, and it is not ending with s. So I have added apostrophe s. Mice ears. Understand? Now the fourth rule is for compound nouns and short noun phrases. For compound noun and short noun phrases, what is the rule what we have to do? Add, you know what is compound noun? We have done it in our previous classes in singular plurals, that compound noun is made up of two or more than two words, okay, and some of them are joined with hyphen. So add apostrophe s to the last word. We will add apostrophe s with the last word. Understand? Like friend of my sister-in-law. Now sister-in-law is a compound noun, okay. So friend of my sister-in-law, my sister-in-law's friend. Now where I have added apostrophe s with the last word, okay, my sister-in-law's friend. The second example is help of a passerby. Now passerby is also a compound noun. So where will I add apostrophe s? I will add apostrophe s with the last word. A passerby's help. A passerby's help. The teacher of Sue and Alice. So you will write apostrophe s with the last word. Sue and Alice teacher. Sue and Alice teacher, okay. The fifth and the last rule is to talk about a length of time. Whenever you are talking about a length of time, what you have to do, like duration of time, okay, use apostrophe s or simple apostrophe to talk about a length of time. A week's work. Now week is ending with k, it is not ending with s, so we simply have added apostrophe s. A week's work. 4 hours delay. Now hours is a plural and it is ending with s, so we simply added apostrophe. We haven't added s with it. 4 hours delay. So these are 5 major rules for possessives. I hope you would have understood. Revise your this work and we will do the exercise work of possessive in our next lecture, inshallah. Take care of yourself and those around you. Allah Hafiz.